what would produce more jobs in India? First, focusing on women empowerment. Second, skill development. Third, technological advancement. I'll repeat. What would produce more jobs in India? Focus on women empowerment, skill development, technological advancements. Clear? You can start your discussion.
Legally, I believe that I would like to go with the second lead, that is skill development, because I believe that if a person is skilled enough, he will be able to generate job opportunities.
So I agree with Cheston also, because if we focus on development and with startups, many startups.
Yes, and Cheston the 46 that if technology develops, then increase of employment opportunity also increases.
I think the lack of technology is making the unskilled people more. So being in a technology involvement and the increment in the technology machines, so the more skilled people will be required. So the skill could only be improved with the help of the technology and the new machines that could be brought up.
Because if we focus on improving the technology, it would, rather than improving employment, it would decrease that. It would take the jobs of common people. That is what is the
Agreeing with point mentioned by chess number 12 and chess number 4, skill development is an important factor which is being kept in the mind when we talk about the job applications and all. And also skill development also helps in building the startups in India, and also the government is promoting the skill development with many programs.
And also I think we all can agree that countries like Japan, who focus a lot on skill development, they are able to employ a lot of people, and skill development definitely helps a lot. And if we train the people based on their skills, we would be able to replace a lot of technology, and a lot of people would be able to get.
Also, we have seen that there are a lot of job opportunities, but people are not able to fulfill the skills and the requirements that they are asking, and that's why people are not able to apply for the
Also,
job. But
looking at the scenario of the
I think there is a lack of technology. That is why the people are not able to perform their functions properly. So the skill is also required to be fulfilled with the help of the technology only. If there are proper machines, the people would be able to learn them properly.
Also, if we look at the current scenario,
But with the machine development, there won't be any skills for that. It will be a machine that will be doing their job.
Right.
I think more machines, for example, in a medical sector, there are lack of machines. There are IMR machines, and there are many more machines which are still not available in India. So that infrastructure is lacking, due to which the skilled person are not being employed at that place only.
But
I
when we
think
talk about
education system, if they focuses more on skill development at a younger age, I think that would be very much useful.
also, if a person is skilled enough, then he can also move to other countries in search of job. So that way
Also,
also.
if you look at the current scenario of the country like India, we are the country who have the maximum population of the youth population.
Right.
So promoting the skill development at the same time helps taking, using our resources in a positive way.
And also, as Chester 41 mentioned, if we train them to work the machine, then those who are not educated, they will be ones who have been educated enough, and we won't be able to take employment to those areas who are not educated. And skill development is what plays the most important role there. Also,
I think the Modi government has digitalized India in his 2014 government. So he had spread many optical fibers so as to increase the technology development. So as the people got increase their skills, they can sharpen up their minds for that technology.
And through skill development, not
So
only
it
the
is
urban sector,
ultimately
but also
technology
the
which is
rural
helping the
areas,
skilled
tribal
people.
areas, people will also be affected. Recently we have seen Naxalites have been the situations has been arising, but if skill development would be focused, then the various skills which even the tribal people know, even they will be benefited by this. Even they will be get employed.
Also, if we promote skill development, we can also manage problems like disguised unemployment, where people would get to know their real potential, they'll learn the skills, and they'll be employed accordingly, and think problems like disguised unemployment would not be there.
I think technology is allowing people to work from home only.
Where they can go, and that will automatically create more job options for a particular person.
Exactly, and they'll be able to find their true potential and where they'll perform the best. So
I think the work from home is only due to it is possible in Corona due to the technology only, as we are having virtually platforms that are available to the people who are more involved in the jobs and the employment. So the employment, instead of taking a dip down, so it also kept on a moderate mode due to the use of the technology.
But we are seeing that the government has been focusing on skill development by collaborating with the private companies, and that has been somewhere providing people the opportunity to open their own small businesses.
And
I think that is one of the
You mentioned the time of the Corona, and point mentioned by chess number 41 that they used the technology during the Corona. If you look at the the scenario, they use the technology for the development of their skill. And after the era when the post-Cold War, when the post-COVID happened, Corona happened, and then they used their skill and set up very startups. And they did not even take the employment.
So
Also,
it
they
is
have
also
very
like
good
a
opportunity also.
opportunity that is created for
also
all the
they get
people that
development
way.
skills by the technology. So if we focus on technology development, they can increase the
Skill development will not only help people to gain these jobs, but it will also promote the Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme and also the dependency which we have on like states in neighboring states like China. That will also.
Also,
be-
ladies,
So
I
I
think
think
that is
technology doesn't
skilled
favor
person
the reservation
Also,
system.
every time
And
only
it is one of the
only a
most
skilled
beneficial
person
step
will
that
able
is
to
taken
use the
by us.
technology in a fruitful manner and bring the job opportunities to himself. So it is the skill of that person that because of that he is drawing the job opportunities.
Every time an advanced machinery is introduced in a factory, we should keep in mind that it replaces the employment of 5 other people. So machinery is something which is replacing the human resources.
I
And
think
also if you
there
look
are
at
many government sectors and the institutes which are favoring according to the reservations, having quotas for the people so that they could be skilled. But a proper skill is required to every person and it is needed. So it is not partially biased by the technology rather than an institution which are performing their skills on the basis of their population. For example, India is having such a big population. So the institutes could not favor each and every one on a single stage. So they are having reservation for them, but not the technology.
But every time a country has promoted industrialization, we have always seen a drop in employment. People have always been replaced by such advanced machinery. So it is not that more technology would lead to more skills and people would be more employed. Rather, they would be replaced by big machineries.
As just
I think people who are not more employed in the
population
job.
of the country, I believe that if we have a huge population of the country, we should use the resources in a positive way instead of technologically advanced, like because as mentioned by chess number 12, that it replaces the human resources, and even the country also works without the technology. So I believe that the population should be used in the skill development.
Yes, I also agree with chess number 15 that it is only the skillful person who will be able to utilize fully the technology which is present and make full utilization of the available resources we have.
And also,
I think
that
that-
it would lead to more
And also
exposure.
recently there has been a
I think to
concern.
increase the economy, India is more focused on technology development so that the people who are going other countries to work and they are to stay to India and to develop their
But we have
skills.
seen that
But
even the
technology
most precious positions like CEO of a company have been now replaced by the robots. So that is a clear example that the technology is somewhere taking the job opportunities from people.
And also,
I think that is a technology only which is providing us the hybridized seeds, the hybridized food. So we are having much more organic things with the help
I
of the
believe it is the
technology.
skill of the person that
Also we can say
employment
that
of the technology.
Women and other sectors like age group will not be focused. Or people of all age groups and irrespective of their gender will be employed more.
Also, we can take the current scenario that our government give the drone to the human self-help group to increase their crop production. It is only because of the technology and they increase their production to the drones.
As test number 46 has mentioned that the age group is being a major issue when we are having in terms of the skilled labor. So instead of using technology is not biased toward the age group as it can make them learn at any stage from at any to the end to the start. So age group differentiation could not be there in the technology, and technology instead of having the categorization of the different types for being poor or of being rich. So technology would not be a biased
Skill
favor.
also doesn't require a age limitation. Skill can come at any age.
Many institutions doesn't allow people who are above
We are not talking about
63
institutions.
And we have also seen that recently they have been advanced in the skills of the people, and that's why the people now also have the option to do freelancing and earn through that. So that is also a kind of job opportunity for the
Exactly, and
people.
to depict the example on a ground basis, like test number 24 mentioned, in case of the drones, they would have also asked the person if they would have taught him the skills of organization.
But-
It would not have been needed to.
But spreading fertilizer
I think
that's
the
like
skilled person cannot
need
be
more
at
time
every place, but
to
the
take more
technology
time
can
to
reach at
spread
any
the
time and at every place. For example, there are drones. The skilled people cannot hang up or can have that surveillance over the
Yes,
area.
yes, I agree.
But the
But
drones
that-
cannot
but
have
let
that
us
surveillance.
focus
spreading fertilizer that's like people can take more
Let us
time
focus on
so
the
they
ground.
will
employment
And
comes
also
from
the person who will be required
Yes,
to start.
like the example given by chess number 4, I want to add one more, that nowadays what is happening in the mass and media communication, the anchors are now being the AI generated anchors,
Exactly.
which is replacing the human made anchors, and at the end what we are facing, we are losing our employment at the ground level. So technology is also coming from the skilled people only. Everyone cannot use the technology. So I believe the technology.
Okay. Next topic. Which factors